So next we can also insert the wall tag. So if we go back into the folder, open up the wall tag and load it into the project and close. So now we've inserted the wall tag into the project. So next we're going to do this one a little different. We're going to go tag by category. We'll place our tag on a couple of walls. As you can see, before I actually click to place, I get a preview of my tag. And currently there's a leader attached, so I don't want that to be attached. So if I come to the options bar here, there's my leader. I'll just untick that. So now when I hover over the wall and get the preview, the tag doesn't have a leader. So I'll do the same for just a couple of partitions and the external wall. The information that the wall tag is looking for is again its type mark. So what we can do is select our external wall, go to edit type, scroll down to the type mark, and if we have our wall type as A will be displayed within the tag, and our partition will be B. And you can see the other tags have been updated. You can open up the PDF 024 tags, which will display what we've just done.